Sapphire, one of the largest manufacturers and exporters of textiles in Pakistan. From exquisite fabrics to sustainable solutions, their commitment to excellence is woven into every thread. In a groundbreaking move toward sustainability, Sapphire Textiles partners with DSG Energy to transform their energy infrastructure. This collaboration brings together DSG Energy's expertise in renewable energy solutions and Sapphire Textiles' commitment to environmental responsibility. The project features a 5-megawatt solar power plant, a significant step towards reducing the carbon footprint. Using state-of-the-art technology, the solar power plant is designed to maximize efficiency and output. DSG Energy and Sapphire Textiles are paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future.